Dear students, welcome you all to LMS Digital Learning Classes, session number 36. So in this session, we will solve a problem on Memorandum Joint Venture Account method. Under Memorandum Joint Venture Account method, each co-venture will record only those transactions which are relating to the joint venture, which are directly concerned with him and not those of others. ಈ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋವೆಂಚರ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಕೋವೆಂಚರ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದ ಟೂ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆರ್ ಮೆಮೊರೆಂಡಮ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಕೋವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆನ್ memorandum joint venture method. M and N entered into a joint venture to construct a building. The contract price was rupees 2 lakh. The profits of the joint venture were to be shared by them in the ratio of 3:2. The following were the expenses incurred by them towards the same. See, M and N ಇಬ್ಬರು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಒಂದು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ದ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಲಕ್ಷ. ಸಿ ಮಿಡ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇನ್ಕರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇನ್ಕರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 6 different expenditures. Iron materials, so this is the goods supplied, 40,000 with respect to M, 21,000 with respect to N. Wages 30,000, 17,000. Cement 19,000, 11,000. Architect fees 5,000. Plant in case of M it is 20,000. Sundry materials 7,000 with respect to N. The contract price was duly received by M. The plant was taken back by N subject to 50% of depreciation. Write up the memorandum of joint venture account. So we are required to prepare the memorandum joint venture account. So we'll see how it is prepared. See, memorandum joint venture account. So you can see the debit side of the memorandum joint venture account. The transactions which are related to M are recorded in the name of Mr. M's account. To M's account, iron material 40,000, wages 30,000, cement 19,000, architect fees 5,000. So total 94,000 is the expenditures incurred by Mr. M. Similarly, we have the expenditures which are related to Mr. N. Iron materials 21,000, wages 17,000, cement 11,000, plant 21,000, sundry materials 7,000. So total expenditures of N is 76,000. To the credit side you can observe by M's account. So this is the contract price received entry, 2 lakh is the contract price. Then next entry is for plant being taken over by Mr. N at 50% depreciation. So by N's account, so plant value is 20,000. So 50% of that is 10,000. So after closing this memorandum joint venture account, the total is 2,10,000. There is a credit balance of 40,000 rupees. So that is called as profit. That profit is distributed between Mr. M and Mr. N in the ratio of 3:2. So 24,000, 16,000 ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then co-venture account prepare ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. When we prepare co-venture account in the books of M, so it is called as joint venture account with N ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So here we record all the transactions which are related to N, which are related to M. To cash account, iron materials 40,000. To cash account, wages 30,000. To cash account, cement 19,000. To cash account, architect fees 5,000. To profit and loss account, so this is the profit which is transferred from memorandum joint venture account, 24,000. So to the credit side we have by cash account, this is sales value 2 lakh. So the balance is 82,000. That is the balance carried forward, carried down. Similarly, when these transactions are recorded in the books of N, so we have an account called joint venture account with M anta karitivi. So in this account we record only the transactions which are related to Mr. N. So you can see the debit side, to cash account iron materials 21,000, to cash account wages 17,000, to cash account cement 11,000, to cash account plant 20,000, to cash account sundry materials 7,000, to profit and loss account profit of Mr. N 16,000. So to the credit side you can observe by plant account, so that is at 50% depreciation value, plant is been taken for rupees 10,000. Then so we have a debit balance of 82,000, that is the by balance carried down anta karite. So this is how two accounts are prepared in under memorandum joint venture account.